Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a bootable installer. This is the fastest, most reliable route. Plug an 8 GB or larger USB into a working computer, download and run the Windows 10 Media Creation tool, and choose Create Installation Media. When prompted, pick the correct edition and architecture. Most modern machines need 64-bit. Once the tool writes the USB, safely eject it. Make sure you backed up documents and product keys before continuing, because the next steps may overwrite your drive. Once done preparing the USB, restart the target PC and enter BIOS or the boot menu. Common keys are F2, F12, ESC, or Dell depending on the brand. Set the USB drive as the boot device and save changes, then boot from the installer. Follow prompts. Pick language, click Install Now, and either enter your product key or choose I don't have a key if Windows will reactivate later. For a clean install, choose Custom. Delete existing Windows partitions, then select the resulting unallocated space and click Next. You finish by letting the installer run through setup and automatic restarts. Then create your user account and adjust privacy options. Make sure to run Windows Update and install chipset, video, and network drivers from the manufacturer so hardware works correctly, and verify activation in Settings, right arrow Update and Security. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Check the USB stick on another PC, try a different USB port, and confirm BIOS boot mode, UEFI versus legacy, matches how the installer was created. Those fixes resolve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.